Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We have these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have postulant of stars in reverse, two of suns, and initiate of moon in reverse. So it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe you are not prepared for what is happening in your work. Maybe something has come up suddenly, caught you by surprise, some kind of a circumstance. It may be a project or something you need to do in a particular timeline, and it is causing a lot of worries for you, maybe, guys. And maybe for some of you in this relationship, this person you love, maybe they are exaggerating certain things, and you are worried because you don't know the truth, and what they are telling you is something that you cannot believe, and you lack clarity and understanding, guys, maybe in a particular circumstance, and you are worried for this person for what they are saying, if that is the truth, but they are exaggerating certain things. That is the reason you feel really confused, because you feel that it may not be the truth. And the reason for this, maybe they are trying to trick you into something. It may be a situation even in your work. So someone is telling something to trick you into some kind of a decision, and they are not truthful, guys. So if you have some doubts on someone in your work, or if you have doubts on this person you love, you feel that you cannot trust them totally, you need to wait, guys. If you are in the verge of making any important decision for yourself, for this love, maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment, you need to wait, Aquarius. That is what I see. And you are really angry with this person, maybe trying to cheat you, maybe trying to hide something from you. So maybe for some of you, I see you having arguments or some kind of misunderstandings in this relationship, guys. And if you are in the verge of making some important decision for this love, this may not be the right time, and you need to wait. That is what I see, guys, with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Thank you, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a crystal spirits card here, guys. We have, and it is Pesartin Garnet. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard, maybe, to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you. And this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are. And you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are. And this may be the time, the right time, your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition. And you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single-mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single-minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.